The lazy Filipina.
And the Aussie.
Today we go to Catmon to visit Ate Helen and to fly an FPV drone.
I'm fine. I'm still waiting up. What time?
Okay, so we're here today, and Helen,
How
Ate.
about your it?
Yeah, we will eat.
Australia?
Huh?
I know, chicken. Okay, chicken, okay.
We're here at Ate and Helen's house. She invited us for a meal to eat. We're a bit late today, but I'm sure she forgives us. And there's a party happening also here, so let's try the food. What is that? I think that's goat, fish, and some
Bud.
wood.
How many years there?
Here?
In Philippines?
No, only 5
Five?
months.
Oh, 5 months?
How many years you're in Philippines?
Direct dito? Oh, ito lang.
How many years you're in Philippines?
No.
Since birth.
Since baby.
Since Friday.
Do you like
This one also.
Filipino food?
Pinoy food?
Yeah?
This is a giant table with small chairs.
Thank you, F1.
Say cheese! So, Marby, how was the hot dog?
It's not hot.
What is
It's not hot.
not hot?
Is it this it?
It's not, I don't like, no, not for me. But you like it, Marby?
Yes.
I also like that's good. What's that called again?
That's the humba.
Humba. That's humba, which is pork with sugar coating or something like that. And it's tender. That's delicious, actually.
How about the bud?
And that's
You like
delicious.
that?
That's a fish. That's great goats. Perfect. So I didn't try that.
This one is called what they call it? Pork sweet and sour. Pork.
That's pork sweet and sour. Not for me.
Not familiar.
Yeah, I like the bud. I like it. That was nice. Like
So you have to bring that
bud. It's rice.
Only
No.
coconut milk.
Coconut milk rice. Yeah.
So you like the goat?
The goat's good.
The goat meat.
Fish is good too. Sweet and sour fish. The Filipinos, they love to always have like sweet and sour and sweet sauce. And obviously there's karaoke every single day of their life. Do you see a difference? I was told that here they grow miracle fruit. I don't know if you remember, but a couple of videos back I spoke about the miracle fruit. Finally, I get to try it. So the miracle fruit is in this one. It's black. It's wine. So have a look at that. It looks exactly like coffee. Let's try it.
Hey, anak ko na ba? Kaunti ka ulinan.
It's not fizzy. It is. That's miracle fruit. It smells sweet. It's sweet. Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes good.
You bring
It's sort of
one.
sweet. No, no, Marvy doesn't know how to prepare it.
It's easy. Just strip.
It tastes really good.
Like aboko.
Just
And
like
apparently-
cocoa, strip and then cook.
Up to her. We don't have a good kitchen now.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't really have practical. It's difficult.
It needs big.
Yeah, it's difficult to prepare in our house. Yeah. So apparently, that miracle
If you
fruit
want
wine
in
It's good. It's anti-cancerous. Ah, there it is. There you go. So that's the miracle fruit. It's massive. Look at my head.
Bigger than your baseball.
Yeah, it's huge. And that's what
you
it looks
can
like
see
on the
there.
inside. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like a shape of a frog.
Say hi! Hi! Ah, they're very happy. Say hi! They are very funny. They're very happy to see a drone. Wow! Wow! What can you say, Ate Helen? Very nice. I like it. Wow! I have that one. I like it. Unsa may masulti nimo? May unsay masulti? Unsa may masulti nimo, bibi? Nice? Indot? Very nice? Nice. Nice. Wow, really? Really? I like. Oh. Uy, mga bata. The baby they are very funny. Wow. Yeah, they're very happy. I love it. They're very funny here. Say hi. Say hi to our vlog.
Hi! Welcome to our guys. Welcome to our vlog.
Hi. Welcome to our vlog.
Welcome to Beta Sigma.
Forever Beta Gamians.
Beta Gamato.
Bianes.
Bitons.
Unsa man yung masulti?
Nice.
Huh? Very nice?
Yes.
Very nice?
Yes.
Do you know that?
Yes.
That's a drone, right? Say hi, go! They're very funny. They're so happy. Over there. Oh, you cried.
It's okay. It must have been like a little line or something.
He crashed.
Landing.
Awesome!
Unsa pasulti nimo? Hi. Thank you very much. And please subscribe. And please subscribe.